Alright, gonna start with the Col Shad. I'm gonna compare it to the megabass. You could see it is pretty dang close. Alright, the Berkley Col Shad retails for $11.99. 1 5-star review on Tackle Warehouse, 3.8 stars Bass Pro Shops with 11 reviews. The pros, it's the most affordable one. That snap lock system for the hook, and it's scent infused. The cons, it's basically the action. Like most of these baits, there is only one speed, and even at that right speed, it swims a bit crooked. I just like the action a bit more on all the others. And dead slow, this thing will do nothing. Alright, the Hangover. 6 cents. This one is a pretty much a top hook. I see they did leave something down there if you want to hook it. Bottom hook. The Hangover, $19.99, 2.3 stars for 20 reviews on Tackle Warehouse. The pros, unique action with a large profile. If you're around large shad-eating bass, it may be viable. The cons, it's expensive. The top was already starting to tear a bit. It smells super bad. I'm thinking it's from the paint job. One speed, like the rest. Most of the reviews had problems with it rolling, as you saw in the beginning of this video. It will not go slow, and it will not go fast, but as you can see, you can get it to run right. I'm interested. I would definitely throw it. Alright, the Dangerous Bass Mafia. Alright, the Bass Mafia Daingerous, $13.99 retails. Bass Pro Shops, 4.3 stars. Tackle Warehouse, 4.5 stars. The pros, possibly the top hook. It separates from the bait like a line through. Gives the fish less leverage to shake it out. You can reel this bait at any speed. That's super interesting and super cool. It's also a affordable price. The cons, it seems to swim head up a little bit. The head movement is not as pronounced as the others, but to be honest with you, I really don't have much bad to say about this one yet. Got to put it to the test and see what it does. I'm definitely not opposed to throwing this bait. Definitely going to give it a shot. It's unique. It's really not like the Magdraft, so don't think you're buying a Magdraft. Alright, the next is the Spro Megalajohn. Alright, right off the bat, Spro, I mean, it's supposed to have a magnetic hook holder. I don't know, guys. Okay, people, so I read the package. It said magnetic hook holder. I find this little thing on the ground. So just so you know, I knew I saw this little hole right here, but I guess you've got to screw it in. Alright, so now it looks good. I should have probably put some super glue on that next time. Alright, Spro Megalajohn retails for $12.99. Not many reviews. The pros: it's affordable, it's got a pretty good action, and the retrieve is a bit variable. You cannot burn it, and you can't go super slow, but you can play with the retrieve a bit. The head movement's pronounced. If you look at this bait in the Magdraft, both baits bend all the way up to the head, which allows the tail to really move that head back and forth. It seems durable. The cons: to me, the con may be that magnet. I would have to fish it a lot and see how it holds up. If you lose that magnet, there's no slot for the hook, so I don't really know what you do. But it was surprising. It's a unique bait. It's got a nice action. Alright guys, let's watch the Megabass Magdraft do its thing and wrap this up in a neat little bow. When I'm retrieving these baits, I'm doing a slow, a medium, and a fast retrieve. And then I'm just trying to find the right retrieve for each bait. So if you see these baits rolling or whatever, it's just what the bait's doing. I'm trying to put in at least one clip of the best retrieve. I'm using 15-pound fluorocarbon with all these baits. Let me know in the comments if you fished any of these baits, and you can comment on any of my concerns. As far as the extremes, the only one you could burn is the Bass Mafia. The Col Shad, the Hangover, don't even think about reeling them slow. In my opinion, the most versatile seems to be the Bass Mafia Daingerous. Please guys, like and subscribe.